Hi! Today we want to introduce the Magnetic Eyeliner. This Magnetic Eyeliner is from Girlfriends of Lilian Lashes. You know, we carry the magnetic lashes and also some false lashes, band lashes. So now they introduced the magnetic one. So let's gonna give it a try. So it says it is waterproof and it is densely black eyeliner. It's a very cute packaging. Comes like this. It's like a brush. Before we start, I wanted to do a difference between this eye. In this eye I have my regular eyeliner and a little bit of mascara, so it's very natural. And the instructions for this eyeliner: first you have to shake the bottle before you use it, and then you have to make sure you pass the allergy test, okay, before using it. The third step, it says performance will be better if you can put on eyelash before the eyeliner line dried completely, and then you can refine your design of the eyeliner afterwards. Let's start. Also, I have here my magnetic eyelashes from Girlfriends of Lilian. I'm gonna use these ones. These ones have 3 magnets on the band lash here, and then has these 3 little magnets that go below. If you're new to magnetic eyelashes, the recommendation is first you put your regular mascara, then you grab your band lash, and you're gonna put your band lash with the magnets on top. Let's say with this eye that I already have mascara, you put it on top, okay, then it stays there, and then you bring the bottom lashes with magnet and you put it under your natural lashes. So the idea is that you're gonna do a sandwich, okay? So let's start first with the magnetic eyeliner. We're gonna remove the excess. I honestly like a thin eyeliner look. Let's see. Now in this eye, I don't have any eyeshadow. I don't have anything. So, but that is just test. Oh, it's very soft. I'm gonna close it tightly after. And then, let's grab the lash. I'm gonna do this. Oh, I can feel it does stay. Okay, that was the fastest I put false lashes. Now with this eye, I don't have any mascara, so, and it looks so natural. Well, I have no eyelashes, but see the difference? This I had eyeliner and mascara, and the regular eyeliner and mascara, and this one is the magnetic eyeliner. Now, I'm gonna do another test. I'm gonna remove, let's see, wow, stays. I'm gonna remove the lash and I'm gonna put mascara on. I'm gonna go again and put a little bit just to make sure it hasn't dried. Close it tightly. Let's see. I'm gonna take my tweezers. I am honestly not the best at putting eyelashes. I actually hate the process, but this, oh wow, this is so easy. Let's finish my face with some of the brushes that we carry from 1520. I believe we already showed you this before. This is the resting fab face, and it includes 5 brushes. So I already used them today a little, but I want to see. This is my favorite. This for contouring, and it's so soft, so soft. This is the SO1. So for this, I'm gonna grab my bronzer. You'll see. It's so soft. Oh, it feels so light. Okay, I put too much. Oh my god, I love this brush. And I had used the foundation one, which is this. So I'm just gonna blend a little bit here. My second favorite one is the highlighter one. So I'm gonna grab my highlighter. It's so soft, feels so delicate. Okay, I love it. Feels so soft. Then to complete the look a little bit, I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. This is the other brush from Resting Fab Face, and this is blush. Let's grab a little bit. Honestly, I love the lashes. I love them. They look so natural. Now, amazing tip for this weather, where your lips are super dry and chapped lips. I have never tried anything before that it's better than Hadaka Purity Oil of Marula. Just grab just one little drop. It doesn't have any fragrance, doesn't have any smell and scent, and it feels so nice. Doesn't taste like anything. So the oil of Marula is pure organic oil from the Marula fruit, or the Marula seed. It comes from South Africa. I can't live with this. It's just amazing for my skin. And I have a dry skin, so I put that every morning before applying my makeup. So it actually moisturizes my skin so much, but not in a greasy, oily way. And also it gives you a very nice glow for your makeup. Now that we tried the eyeliner from Girlfriends of Lily Ann, so cute, we're gonna try their newest product, which is this is beautiful because it comes with a magnetic eyeliner and eyelash. love the packaging. So it comes in two different models. This is model Diamond, and the other one I believe is called Lux. So cute because it's rose gold. So the great thing about this, it comes with your eyeliner and your tweezers, and let's see this. Oops. Here we go. Ta-da! This is super dramatic. I gotta be honest, I never use this kind of super long lashes, but I wanna try. So I love this kind of tweezers because you can actually put your index finger and your thumb super nicely to grab your lash. So as you can see, these lashes have, let me grab it. They have some small magnets. So the band lash doesn't have a strip of magnet. It has little bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 5. I remember the other one that I tried. The other one has 3 magnets. So let's see what side is this. So it's the same design. It's the same design from start to finish, and it goes a bit longer in the middle. So let's give it a try. I think it's a bit too big for my eye, but the good thing is that you can always cut them. So let's see. Oh my god, this is so dramatic. Let's see. I'm excited. Okay, let's grab the eyeliner again. And I want to try it on top of my regular eyeliner and eyeshadow, just because I want to see the difference. If, let's say, you did your makeup during the day to go to work, and then you have dinner, you have a date or something, you just want to update your look. So just put the darker magnetic eyeliner on top of your own makeup, put some lashes, and you're done. So let's see this one. I'm just gonna follow the same design I have. I'm gonna grab the tweezer. I love this. Okay, like I said, I'm not the best, but this is supposed to make your life easier. Maybe if I do this. Okay, that's so easy. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I have put some eyeliner here by mistake, so I'll try to remove it. You can use oh, there we go. That's easy. Oh, it's easy. You know what? It dries and just remove so easily. This is drama. I love it. So this is the Magnetic Lashes by Girlfriends of Lilian. This is the model Diamond. We'll be checking the other model later. But I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. And my lips are so moisturized. Natural look. My god, they're still there. They feel like they're good.